everyone, this is Professor Nin. In this lecture video, I'll give you an introduction to sociology. First of all, I would like to discuss the 5 main objectives of this lecture video. First is that by the end of this lecture video, you should be able to explain why both history and biography are essential for the sociological perspective. Now you may ask, well, first of all, what is a sociological perspective? Don't worry, we'll cover that soon. Secondly, by the end of this lecture video, you should be able to understand the history in which sociology emerged from, as well as some of the major figures who play very important roles in the development of history. And actually that leads to point number 3, which is to identify some of the key contributions of several important sociologists, a number of which have had a long-standing respect within sociology. But I'll also mention some of the key contributions of sociologists who made very important contributions to sociologies, but actually weren't recognized for their contributions and have only been received such recognition only recently. Fourth objective of this lecture video is to explain to you the basic ideas of 3 main sociological paradigms, and they are symbolic interactionism, or SI, functional analysis, or functionalism, and conflict theory. And last but not least is, by the end of this lecture video, you should be able to understand why studying sociology is so important, whether or not you decide to major in sociology, pursue graduate school, or become a sociologist in the future. So, to give you an overview of our lecture video, we have 4 sections. First, we'll discuss what is sociology, what does that mean, what does it entail, and what does this discipline entail. Secondly, we'll cover a extremely brief general overview of the history of sociology. Third, we'll discuss 3 major theoretical perspectives within sociology. And lastly, understand why studying sociology is important.